Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this flower frame shape on CapCut PC. So they have stars, they have the heart shape, but they don't have flowers, so I'm just going to teach you how to do that. Just going to use this purple background. There we go. That lagged a little bit for some reason. I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees just because it's easier to do, and I'm going to change the ratio to 1:1 as well. Go to mask and select circle, and I'm just going to adjust the size a little bit because I feel like it's a little bit too big. Then you're just going to copy and paste it a few times to create like the petals. And just like move it around if it doesn't fit it, like that. Copy and paste that again. Okay, it's not going to be perfect, but that's what we got. Then we're going to use this mask. You don't have to, actually you don't have to add this like orange, but there you can just go straight to the video or photo that you want to add to it. Where is it? Oh. Then I'm just going to select the circle one, and I'm just going to move it up here first and make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to go back to basic and I'm going to scale that down a little bit. And that's it. If you want to add in like a shadow, you could to it, or the like orange outline, like circle outline for the middle. But I think I'm just going to, let's see what I want to do. Leave it like that. And if you want to move this around a lot and you don't want to move it like one by one, just select everything. Right click, create compound clip, so you can move it as one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!